Baebody, coconut milk, and honey facial cleanser, 4 fluid ounces, 120 milliliters. Product overview. Description. The art and science of skincare. Sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, Gotu Kola. Moisturizing facial wash. Not tested on animals. Made in USA. Renew, restore and help moisturize damaged skin and smooth fine lines and wrinkles with our milk and honey facial cleanser. Sweet on your skin, but not overpowered with scent. This scent-free facial cleanser is perfect for our sensitive skin friends. Top benefits. Helps repair damaged skin. Improve elasticity and restore moisture. Gently removes dirt, oil and toxins. Suggested use. Gently apply Baebody coconut milk and honey facial cleanser in circular motions in an upward direction. Use gentle pressure. Cleanse your face and neck area every morning and night. Other ingredients. Aqua, deionized water, ammonium lauryl sulfate, cocamidopropyl betaine, phenoxyethanol, prunus amygdalus dulcis oil, sweet almond oil, simmondsia chinensis seed oil, organic jojoba oil, tocopheryl acetate, vitamin E, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, organic aloe, centella asiatica extract, organic Gotu Kola, equisetum arvense extract, horsetail, geranium maculatum extract, wild geranium, taraxacum officinale extract, organic dandelion, rosmarinus officinalis extract, organic rosemary, carica papaya fruit extract, papaya, propolis extract, royal jelly extract, cocos nucifera fruit powder, coconut milk, honey, chamomilla recatita extract, chamomile, acrylate/C1030 alkyl acrylate cross polymer, cocamide dea, sodium hydroxide, alcohol, SD alcohol 40, ethyl hexylglycerin. Warnings. Caution, for external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.